All right, so this in this video, we're going to jump into Zapier. All right, we do have a Zapier. We do have a Zapier application for invoicing you. It's got 3 different triggers where you can get new product invoices that have been paid. You can get whenever general invoices have paid. You can get a notification whenever somebody purchases an ascending invoice, or you can actually create a dynamic invoice on the fly. Okay, we're gonna make a there's gonna be a video for each and every one of these. For this instance, all I want you to know is to get to our Zapier app, just go to the Zapier integration and just click on this invite URL. All our apps are private, so you want to click on this invite URL. And to connect your Zapier account, you're just going to grab this API key right here, and then you're just going to come over here where it says choose an account. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a new account, and you're just going to put in that API key that is listed right there inside your dashboard. All right, just like that. And now your account's actually going to be created. All right, so now your account's created. All right, so in the next videos, we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to use each one of these steps.